Hi everyone, this is Ruhi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I have created a monochromatic look with only pink color. So this has been really fun working with this crazy attempt. So do let me know how did you feel about this look in the comment section below. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Starting my look with some concealer as my eyeshadow base. I have now powdered it with a loose powder by Sugar Cosmetics. You could use any loose powder or compact of your choice. I have applied light pink shade as my transition shade and blended it nicely on my eyelids. Taken a slightly darker pink than the last one to darken the crease. Here I have taken a more darker pink shade and blended it all over my eyelids. Now applied a mauve pink shade to darken the area near the lash line. I have used pink shimmer to apply on the center of my eyelids. Here I am using packed glitter primer and applying over the shimmer. For glitters, I have used Plum Glitters by Beauty Loose Glitter. I have used the mauve pink shade again to darken and blend in the outer V and inner corner part of my eyes. I have taken off the tapes and wiped off the glitter fallouts from my face using Garnier Micellar water. I applied white kajal in the shade Snowbell by Bella Voste on my lower waterline. Using Innisfree moisturizer for hydration and massaging it nicely into my skin. I have used Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer for filling up my pores and blurring out my skin. It does a really good job at it. For foundation, I'm gonna take L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte as it is really long lasting and also gives a decent medium to full coverage. For cream highlighting, I have used the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer and blended it nicely with my beauty blender. I have powdered everything with my MAC Studio Fix Compact. This is hands down the best compact available, or say I have used till date. Applied the mauvey pink shade on my lower lash line. I have filled my eyebrows with black and brown shades from my eyeshadow palette and using an angular brush by PAC Cosmetics. Contouring my face with Face Palette by Sugar Cosmetics and an angular contour brush by PAC Cosmetics. I use the same face palette for powder blush. For highlighter, I have used my current favorite Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. You could see how it melts into my skin and gives an instant glow. Curling my lashes, which has become an every time drill before applying mascara. Using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara for my lashes. This is also one of my all-time favorites. For my most important part of my makeup routine, I have used Smashbox liquid lipstick in the shade Girl Gang. If you ask me, I can tell you that this is one of my favorite lipstick in terms of formula and color and would be my favorite always. Finishing my look with some falsies, and here's the final look.